welcome back to my channel. So on today's video we are going to be cleaning my room. It is a hot mess in these closets, and my rack, like my clothes rack in my closet, it's like dipping because I'm going to show you right now, I have everything to one side and it's kind of like bending there in the middle. We're going to tackle that because it definitely needs to be cleaned out, and I need to reorganize, I guess, to make it more functional. The racks don't get like that, and so I hope this gives you a lot of motivation to get up and clean something in your home. If you like it, don't forget to hit the like, and if you're new, please consider subscribing. I would love to have you. So let's get on to the video. Okay, so since I put this in here because this was in my dad's room, but I had to get out because it wasn't gonna fit once my son got his room back. I don't have nowhere else to put this, so that's why it's in here, but it's still being used. My toddler's clothes is in there. Since I have it in here, all our clothes are like pushed to the side, and this is like has to be lifted, and I feel like it's gonna break, so I definitely need to fix that. There's some stuff up there, shoes and whatnot, and then stuff up there, my son's clothes, and then that little green one was in there, but I took it out and now I have it out here. I always do this, I'm always moving furniture around. I'm probably just gonna put his diapers and wipes in there for the night. Alright, so as you guys can see there, I was staring at my closet, debating whether I should do this or not, because this was filmed on a Saturday, and cleaning out my room was probably the least thing I wanted to do, but I still got it done. I put on some music, and the more you clean, you just kind of start, trying to clean a little bit more and a little bit more, so I got it done. I was focusing more on the closets and trying to clear them out so that I could fix them and organize them better. After I hung back the clothes, I organized them more to the t-shirts, like polo shirts, dressier shirts, jeans, and then sweaters. Now that everything's out, I am going to be vacuuming it, and then I'm going to be wiping down the doors, the walls, and also spraying the floor and just cleaning it with the rag. because I was putting this off, once everything was done, I felt so much better and so happy that I finally got it done, because it is so annoying when you walk into a room or open a closet or a drawer and you see something that you need to clean but you just keep ignoring it. Let me know what is something that you guys have been putting off and definitely need to clean. This is the first time you guys are seeing one of my videos, and I hope you guys hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell so that you get notified every single time I post a new video. If you're enjoying it so far, don't forget to hit that like for me. So also, if you're new here or if you don't know, I don't have like a garage. This is a mobile home. I have a little storage unit outside, but I don't like to keep anything that I know might get damaged out there. So I have my Christmas tree on the side of this dresser and the lights, and that's why I put like the rest of the Christmas stuff in there, because I had it on top of my closet. This spray has the concentrate of the Mrs. Meyer's honeysuckle scent. I started wiping this area down, and I realized that the monitor up there and all these wires were getting on my nerves. I always had to like pull my chair to the side where the drawers were at, and my feet were like, and my legs and feet were in the way. So I decided to put the monitor down there and see how that worked out. Okay, so far this is how this area is looking. So basically this is going to be my closet now. So I have my sweaters, my jackets and all that there. The rest of my clothes, my jeans are always in my dresser, heels and all that. So far I have this like that, and then my husband's books, I left them there. And then this is like some Halloween stuff, and also like some lunch pails when they do go on field trips, and I pack them lunch so they don't really need them, and I don't know where else to put them for now. Okay, so this, I fixed it up like that. I don't know if the cords are going to be driving me crazy. For now, I'm just going to leave it like that. I'm going to see how I feel. Put the monitor down there, and we'll see how this works out. Here I have my husband's shoes and all that. Husband's clothes. My younger son that sleeps with us, his clothing, his like coats and dressier shirts are right there. A fan, some dirty laundry, blankets there that we use to sleep with, my toddler's diapers, and you guys see me organize these. I do it the Marie Kondo way. I didn't have it like that. I had it more like this because I was just, I need to catch my breath. I was folding them like that just because I was being lazy, but usually it's always like this. And I left his long sleeves like that because so they won't get wrinkly. This is more like summer clothes back here. Some PJs and sweats and all that. This is like his underwear sock. and sock little thingy, which there's missing pairs. I gotta look for that. And then his diapers. Down here I just keep like all my sweats because they don't fit in my dresser over there. Now I'm gonna tackle this drawer that has my makeup and just a bunch of stuff that I always end up shoving in there so it's not on top of my dresser, and it just feels so much better now that it's emptied out and it only has the things that I
Baby, something about you makes me feel like crazy, dumb and lazy about you. Makes me check out on my phone. Baby, something about you makes me feel like crazy, dumb and lazy about you. Makes me check out on my phone. Ring my phone again. It's you. It's 3 a.m. I think you feel the same. You feel the same, babe. Something in my mind tell me that you are the perfect one. I can't get you out. I will never leave. It's like my love.
As you've seen, it was really dirty in that corner, so I went ahead and scrubbed it with this spray bottle that has Fabuloso and water in it. So I just gave the counters and the sink a little wipe down because every morning, on most mornings to be honest, I wipe down both of the bathrooms, and so on this morning it was done and I just needed to wipe that, but my toilet did need to be clean, so I went ahead and did that. I vacuumed and then I mopped, and by this time guys I was so tired. It basically took me all the afternoon. I don't know if you noticed the lighting when I started fixing my drawer in my dresser with my makeup, but the lighting, you can see by the window, it's dark now. So I hope you guys liked the video. I hope it gave you a ton of motivation to get up and clean something in your home, and I will see you on my next one, guys. Bye.